Welcome to Des Moines, Iowa. Let's go thrifting with Mom. Pretty destroyed right here.
Oh, ouch.
Otherwise, I think this one would be a good one.
How much is it?
$19. Ready when you are.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Next one. Goodwill. Mostly just chairs here. So this is a nice chair. Tan. Not the best selling color for me. However, I have sold some. It just takes a little bit longer. That's a good price. It's nice. No stains, nothing. I'm gonna pass on it because we literally only have a little bit of room in my car. So I want to get the perfect piece, but it's a swivel rocker. Could probably sell that for at least $120, $150. It's comfy. Maybe we'll come back here if I don't find anything else.
Just grab the receipt in the case that, or grab that paper. Hold it hostage.
Always good to look at the brand, see if it's like more of a well-known brand. McGregor's not really something that I know of, but good to take a picture of that when you are like listing it on the marketplace, maybe someone else. And you could always look up that brand too and see if it's higher value. I've seen people do some cool things with old sewing machines. Like sewing, I mean, it doesn't have a machine, but you can make a table. You could kind of make it a bigger cutout, and then you can like put a cooler down in there, or a big iron, or not iron, what's it called? Like one of those silver tin things, like buckets. Guys, help me out.
I was gonna say, viewers, help her out.
Anyway, you could make this into a cooler. My friend Jessica, Evergreen Restoration, she's done a couple of different coolers. And then also another friend, Tori, she's done like a wine cooler bar too. So different things, like just thinking of how you can repurpose these, because these are literally abundant. There's 3 of them right here at this store alone.
And for $11.
Yeah. Their stores are the go-to for baskets because like they're so cheap, when normally something like this would probably cost at least $20, $30, $40 like at, you know, retail price. So always be on the lookout, but then sometimes I can't even help myself and I just collect a bunch of baskets and they just sit in a closet. So make sure you have a use for them first. Another great thing to find at thrift stores, and the thing is, like, you can sometimes, like this one, I bet you could find a dupe, or like this would be a dupe to like a super expensive type of lamp, because it's just got that organic mid-century shape. Go online, take a picture of it, do the Google Lens search, see like what other lamps look like this for how much, and get a cheap lamp that will look high end, but you only pay $5 for it.
I got a shredder.
Got a shredder.
How much?
$5.49.
Yep.
That's our first pickup at our second thrift store.
We didn't come for you.
We are at the Salvation Army here in Des Moines. Not bad, but it's also not like in perfect shape.
No, it is not.
Dang, if that dresser wasn't sold, might have got that 40.
Did you see that blue chair?
Look at it.
I think it's broken.
Like,
Oh, I didn't see it. Okay,
yeah.
next door.
$8, but
there's some back there.
it's wrecked.
Oh, it is?
Cats or something.
Kitty cat.
And
You think you would sell that?
back here too. Potentially. We got one kind of similar that's actually even more bright now.
She spotted it. Enemy spotted. She spotted it.
Coming apart on both sides like that. I don't know, but it does have nice legs.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm unsure about that part. It's on both sides.
Did you restaple it?
They're not staples, they're like upholstery nails.
Oh.
I don't know how
That's
to
not
even...
your wheelhouse.
No.
$4 is one of the craziest prices we've seen on one.
Yeah, there's a hole here too. The lowest I've gotten one besides free is $2.99. Or
Is that the orange?
$2.
$2.
Yeah, $2.
Mr. President.
Alright, we are at another thrift store.
Number 7, maybe.
We are finding out that Des Moines has a lot of thrift stores like really close to each other, and we're loving it. And not that we've really found much, but
This time.
cool to go around and like, if you live in Des Moines, you should definitely be hitting these thrift stores very often because there's some potential for some really great stuff.
See if it's a good price.
No. It's Thomas though.
That's $30 though.
Good brand.
Better watch out. King Cobra's gonna pop out of one of those.
Yeah, the prices here are just a bit high,
Yeah.
which we noticed at the other one too.
Yeah.
You just gotta like push that back in. They have tools for that, but it's only $8. And cane is really in right now. I bet that would sell like, even just as is.
Really?
But probably better to have a pair. Well, it would be.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet.
That'd be fun for like a
Picnic?
gift.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you wanted to give someone a bottle of wine. We don't even ever think of that, but
Vases.
definitely should.
Also, something to, if you want to give a bouquet of flowers or something,
Yeah.
need a vase. Come to this.
Probably, I mean, yeah, like $2 for that. Another great idea, looking for canvases. I've showed you guys a couple of different ways I've made over art at thrift stores. Canvases, usually you're not going to find them for as cheap as you will at thrift stores. This one's $7 each. If you like the shape of something, you could change the way that it looks, whether you paint it or add some texture. Tons of different ideas that would be cheaper than going out and buying new, and it's also sustainable.
So you're buying them?
Should I? I haven't done one in a while. Did I get them?
I think that'd be kind of cool to show another idea. What would you do with them?
I don't know yet. I gotta get inspired.
And then
Did I get 'em?
what were you telling me about the next thrift? You were gonna say something.
I mean, something like this, if you like the frame, but you're not, I mean, this is kind of a canvas, but it's fancier because it's got the frame. You could do the same thing, you know, put some type of paint and there's some design in there. Anything. Here,
First,
stay tuned, get subscribed because we'll be making these over soon. Another really neat lamp. Look past the shade because that can always be changed out. The bottom is really neat. It's $20. This place is a bit more expensive because it's a consignment area. So a lot of it is going to be like higher priced, I guess. So yeah, not really finding much. They have a lot, but nothing really like great.
still has tags on it. Can you see that? 75 down to 54.99. And drum roll, $20. Guess what? I got $20 in my pocket. Macklemore reference.
That's gonna be a easy pass for me. Not a hard pass, like easy.
It's got some leather too.
I don't even know. It's not leather.
Oh, it's not pleather? No, I'm talking down below.
This?
That's oh, I thought that was different than what that was. You're telling me that wouldn't go with the Barbie piece?
Fight.
Little Dalmatian?
No.
You know what a Dalmatian is?
Yes, I know. But it was patterned. Oh, this is why you guys should join the coaching course and program. Avoid this, join the coaching program.
Oh my.
Look at the drips.
Is that what they were doing though? Did they must have wanted
I
to
think
make it like
this, yes, but look at the drips.
somebody just decided.
They're still trying to get $50 for it. What in the world?
American of Martinsville. It's $100.
How much?
100.
2 mirrors.
It's really not bad.
We got room for 1 piece. Our time's running short too.
Yeah, this is like our last thrift store, I think. Maybe one more, but we'll see.
Would that fit in your Jeep?
Yeah. You might have to get picked up by Rick, but
Mom?
I say they did, but you checked. I'd hate to be the one to say they all slid right and then she gets home and one comes out in her lap. No, you check.
that'd be your last thrifting trip with us.
What do you think? Can you do it?
I think so. What do you guys think? Yes or no?
It's nice, but it doesn't have the best construction. Lots of peeling veneer, missing veneer.
Hardware's cool.
Hardware's really cool. We're also getting this on a day where it's marked down clearance. It was originally $180. Now it's only $100. I would not have got it if it was $180. So good on them for lowering the price. We're gonna take this baby home. All right, we're getting it. Human's in line to grab the piece or pay for the piece, and then I'm headed to the car to get everything situated. It's gonna be a little bit of a tighter squeeze because we've got 3 of us, and so we'll have to kind of maneuver it around, but that's all right. Mom is riding home with Dad. Long story, but yeah, gonna make some room.
And I was able to take off all the mirror things.
Nice, we got it in, and there's still an open seat. Aren't you so excited, Mom? I get to go. You don't get to get left behind. All right, that's gonna be it for thrifting in Des Moines. Thanks for joining us. It was fun. We ended up with a piece. Let's get this baby home.